happy with the presentation that you've made as EACC. And I like the idea of making sure that EACC runs as a professional commission. And seeing what happened in the last term, I'm happy you are able to rise above political intimidation and you did the right thing. I also must say it is true there are issues at county, and I'm in total agreement with you. I'm only saying if you come up with a law where you're making governors directly accountable to all corruption in the county, then for sure no governor will survive. Because if a cleaner steals, if a director steals, if a nurse steals medicine, if a doctor does something else, then it all boils back to the governor. I think you're also being extremely hard on governors. You also must admit that there's corruption in the county that has nothing to do with the governor. And just like there's corruption in the national government that has nothing to do with a minister or a PS or the president for that matter. So while I can see you're extremely unhappy with the corruption at the county level, don't make a blanket condemnation and you want to kill us all because there's corruption at the county. Just do the fair thing. Be just, be fair, and come up with a law that protects and also leaves everybody answerable. Otherwise, you may actually end up with no governor at all. Not because the governors are corrupt, but because the officers have decided, since the governor is the one answerable, let's do this thing, we are safe. So be careful. Be careful.
Let's answer those questions. Sorry. Honorable Bogeni, 1 minute, please.
Chair, first, I'm happy to see the team from EACC. I confess that I worked with the CEO, then a very junior officer at EACC. He left and then came back as a very